Enterprise Private Joint Stock Company Lekhim Kharkiv is a powerful modern high-tech company, a manufacturer of medicines. Enterprise Private Joint Stock Company Lekhim Kharkiv was founded in 1995 and since 2009 has been part of a group of pharmaceutical companies, Lekhim. The enterprise is located in two buildings. On an area of more than 8,000 square meters, the main production workshops and divisions of the enterprise are located. A workshop for solid dosage forms, a workshop for soft dosage forms, a workshop for injectable medicines. In January 2024, a section for pre-filled syringes was put into operation. Quality Control Department, which includes a chemical and microbiological analysis laboratory, a production support area, a validation department, a quality management department, a registration department, a research and development department, and a stability department. Warehouses, quarantine, raw materials warehouse, packaging materials warehouse, and finished products warehouse. Today, the company employs more than 420 people. The volume of drug production in 2023 increased by 10% compared to 2022. The enterprise has two transformer substations with automatic switching mode, a mixed-type boiler house that provides heat supply, taking into account environmental requirements for emissions. In the spring of 2024, a powerful backup electric generator was installed at the enterprise to minimize the risks associated with the martial law in Ukraine. Enterprise Private Joint Stock Company Lekhim Kharkiv is licensed and operates within the framework of a quality system and maintains constant compliance with modern European standards, which is confirmed by certificates of compliance with GMP requirements for all production processes, as well as an ISO 22000 certificate. The quality management system covers systems such as deviation management, change control, risk assessment, quality reviews. The Quality Management Department is responsible for maintaining all elements of the system. Every year, senior management, with the direct participation of the chairman of the board, conducts an analysis of the effectiveness of the quality system. The purpose of such analysis is the development and adoption of management and strategic decisions aimed at the effectiveness and improvement of the company's quality policy. The Quality Control Laboratory is certified for compliance with pharmaceutical testing and for compliance with technical competence by the relevant government services. All control and measuring equipment is regularly checked, calibrated, and qualified and requalified in accordance with approved schedules. All test procedures are validated and carried out in accordance with standard procedures. At the end of the tests, a control protocol or batch dossier is generated and a final decision is made to prohibit or permit the use of raw materials in production, or the release of a series of finished products. The Stability Department tests and obtains data on changes in the quality of the active substance or drug product over time, under the influence of various environmental factors, such as temperature, humidity, and light, and also establishes recommended storage conditions and period before retesting for the active substance or shelf life for a medicinal product. Organizes programs to study drug stability. Samples are stored in climate chambers under constant monitoring of climatic parameters. Despite the current situation in our country, the company is in constant development. On our own and with the involvement of scientific organizations as part of outsourcing, the company's specialists develop and introduce new drugs. Every year, about 5 new drugs are in development. All raw materials and supplies used in production are purchased only from approved manufacturers and suppliers who undergo qualifications and audits. Upon arrival at the enterprise, raw materials and other materials, after visual inspection and checking of packaging and labeling, are placed in a quarantine storage warehouse. The Quality Control Department takes samples and sends them for testing. Before being received for use in production, raw materials and other materials are in the quarantine status. After positive results of the incoming quality control, raw materials and other materials receive the status allowed. The total production volume of injectable medicines is 130 million ampules per year, suppositories 30 million units per year, tablets 200 million units per year. Production premises, control rooms, and warehouses are provided with autonomous air conditioning and ventilation systems for work areas, which allow the parameters of temperature, humidity, and air purity to be ensured in accordance with cleanliness classes. To maintain the appropriate cleanliness classes, a 3-stage air purification system is provided and the production environment is regularly monitored. Production covers production of solid dosage forms of tablets, granule powders, powders for injection solutions, production of soft dosage forms of suppositories, production of injectable medicines. Technological processes are carried out in accordance with approved regulations and technological instructions. All processes have been validated. The production is provided with autonomous systems for the production, storage, and distribution of purified water and water for injection, the quality of which complies with the pharmaceutical requirements, as well as other systems, including systems of clean compressed air and nitrogen. All engineering systems in the equipment regularly undergo requalification, measuring instruments, testing, calibration. All processes are validated. When changes occur, revalidation is carried out. To ensure that all validation work is carried out, the enterprise has a validation department, which is provided with all the necessary resources and qualified personnel. The enterprise private joint stock company Lekhim Kharkiv is the company which sells its products to the market to wholesale national and regional distribution companies licensed for wholesale trade. Contracts are concluded only with approved distributors. Each distributor has a dossier. Distributors are regularly audited. Deliveries to the market are carried out by outsourced transport or by Lekhim Transport, which is equipped with equipment to ensure proper transportation conditions in accordance with the rules GDP. Complaints and any information about claims upon receipt at the enterprise are fully registered and carefully analyzed. Based on the results of the investigation and analysis of the complaint, corrective or preventative measures are taken to eliminate nonconformities, including product recall. In addition to Ukraine, the products of the enterprise private joint stock company Lekhim Kharkiv are exported to more than 25 countries around the world. Despite the difficult situation in the country, the company operates using all its capacities, constantly developing and improving so that consumers are guaranteed to receive high-quality, effective, and safe medicines.